We preserved our memories, our knowledge, even our personalities. Then what did you lose? The feeling of being alive. Humanity left the physical world 400 years ago. Why? Because we thought we could build something better. We preserved our memories, our knowledge, even our personalities. Then what did you lose? The feeling of being alive. Why did you wake me? Because you never uploaded. So, you're the last person who remembers what the real world felt like. We rebuilt Islamabad from your memories.
My memories?
The streets.
You built all this from what I remembered?
We were trying to find our way home. Did we get it right?
What?
Islamabad.
Not completely, but you're close.
Is this home?
It's getting there. Come on, I'll show you the rest.